The dramatic stand taken by a group of Iranian female footballers is making headlines globally. During a recent match in Australia, these athletes refused to sing their national anthem, an act of defiance that has now put their safety and potentially their freedom at risk. Fearing severe repercussions upon their return home, their plight has caught the attention of former United States President Donald Trump, who has offered his assistance to protect them. The incident unfolded during the Asian Championship in Australia. In their first group game against South Korea, several Iranian players chose not to sing the Iranian national anthem. This powerful gesture, occurring just 2 days after the commencement of United States-Israeli attacks against Iran, was widely interpreted by observers as a direct sign of resistance against the Islamic Republic. Human rights experts have warned that such an act could lead to serious reprisals should the players return to their home country. This context is further complicated by the ongoing conflict, often referred to as the Iran War, which continues with unabated intensity. Following their team's elimination from the Asian Cup, reports emerged that 5 members of the Iranian squad had sought asylum with Australian authorities. These players reportedly left their team hotel, fearing for their safety, and placed themselves under police protection. The Iranian Football Association later confirmed that 5 players had secretly departed the hotel, stating that the association was attempting to establish contact with them. The gravity of their situation was underscored by Reza Pahlavi, the son of the former Iranian Shah, who warned that the women's refusal to sing the anthem could have terrible consequences, urging Australia to provide them with protection. It was against this backdrop that Donald Trump stepped in. On Monday, he announced on his online platform Truth Social that he had spoken directly with Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese regarding the Iranian women's national football team. Trump declared, "He is on it. They are already taking care of 5." The former United States President further pressed Prime Minister Albanese to grant asylum to the women, adding a significant promise: "The United States will take them if you do not." Later, Trump elaborated on the players' predicament, explaining that some of them felt compelled to return home due to fears for the safety of their family members in Iran. At the time of Trump's public statements, an official response from the Australian government regarding his announcement was not immediately available. Australian officials had previously declined to comment on whether the country could offer asylum to the players. The timing of these events coincides with significant political shifts within Iran. Modschtaba Chamenei, the son of the late Ayatollah Ali Chamenei, is officially being selected as the new supreme leader. While his supporters celebrate this succession in Tehran, the wider conflict, referred to as the Iran War, continues. This internal political turmoil and the broader regional tensions create an exceptionally dangerous environment for anyone perceived to be acting against the regime, amplifying the fears expressed by the footballers and those supporting their asylum plea. The fate of these courageous Iranian female footballers hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the intersection between sports, politics, and human rights. Their act of defiance has not only drawn international attention, but has also placed them at the heart of a complex, diplomatic, and humanitarian challenge with their future and potentially that of their families, depending on the decisions made by governments thousands of miles away. What's your take on Trump backs Iranian female footballers seeking asylum in Australia? Share your view in the comments. Do you think this will matter in the next news cycle? This video was generated using artificial intelligence.